channel. My name is Robyn and this is my closet. I do all sorts of unboxings and I'm on a marathon of filming all these boxes. And today I have a colouredraine mystery box. I can't wait to get into it. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much for just being there for me. I am trying to improve and not do ums and ohs and ands. So bear with me on that. So I found this mystery box. Again, things just pop up on your Instagram, they pop up on your Facebook, and if it's a good deal, I buy it. This one, I want to say $35, but I will leave the link and how much it costs below. But I don't think it was more than $35 with the shipping. But look at all the fun things that are in there. Now you have to remember with colouredraine, their colors are out there. So the first thing that's in here is an eyeshadow. And I'm trying to see what color it is. Intergalactic. I probably should have opened all this before because my issues with opening boxes is terrible. So I'm just going to rip into it. And I don't know if I have a place to put these, but this is the color of the interactive. So I'll just have to leave it in the little pan. The next thing is matte lip paint in the color Royal. I don't know if you can see it, but it's blue. I have not dared out into those colors. That is blue. I don't think I'm gonna try it. Let me know if you guys wear a blue. I can't say I'm gonna try that, but you never know. Give me a couple glasses of wine and I could be blue. The next thing is focal point glow lighters. So I'm assuming this is a highlighter. They make these boxes so nice you can't open them. And this is what the packaging looks like. Really pretty. Okay, a drum roll. Oh my goodness. Look at that color. Can you see it's like a lavender? And I was just watching some videos today. I think it was Queenie Bee and somebody else were doing like a purple look. And it actually looked good with the purple as a highlighter. So that's really nice. And these are eyelashes. They're in there. I'm not going to open it. I am getting ready to do eye looks and try eyelashes. So I will hold on to these, so that's nice. The next thing is Arabian Nights, and it is vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. I'm thinking it's a lipstick, but after seeing the royal blue, I'm kind of afraid. The case is really pretty. Okay, close your eyes. Ooh. It's purple. Now, the other girl in the collab did a purple look. She used a purple lip liner and the purple lipstick, and I must say it looked great on her. I'm gonna have to find out who the other person, I think it was Deborah, I can't remember what her last name was, but their looks just looked amazing. Another lippy. Are you guys guessing the color? This one is called Soul. So I don't know. Again, another nice case. I love their cases. And it looks like a mocha color. So let's swatch this one. This one I might be able to get away with. But that's the color. It looks like it's a brown, in the brown family. So that's nice. And then we have these. And this is matte lip paint, Boss Babe. Ooh. It looks like it's black. Now Halloween is coming up, so I might be able to get away with that. Oh, it's not. It's actually, look at that color. I will swatch this one. Ooh. All right. And these colors are dark, but they might be fun to play with. I don't know when I would wear them out of the house, but they would be fun to play with. The next one is Spiked Punch, and it says it's just a matte lip. So hopefully this one will be a little bit better. Ooh, it looks like it's an orange. So let's swatch this one. This is kind of fun. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of an orangey. So these are nice glosses if you like the colors. Okay, there's a couple more things in the box. This is Cherry Blossom. It's definitely worth the price of this box. There's the packaging. Ooh, what a pretty red that is. So I would not wear this, but it's a very pretty color. And I have one more thing in the box. And it is Smoke Show, but look at the case. Let's see what's in here. Wow. Look at those colors. So I'm just looking at the bottom here. Oh, I lied. There's one more thing in the case, or in the box. And it's the makeup bag. So here's the makeup bag. That's the inside. So I got the eyeshadow, the makeup bag, eyelashes, this really pretty violet highlighter I can't wait to try. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lippies and an eyeshadow. So let me know what you thought of this. This probably wouldn't be a box I would order again because the colors were just way out there for me. And they're kind of drying, but that one is definitely a purple. So give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching and have an awesome evening.